She put this in the weirdest spot. Look at that. Wow. 5 eggs. 4 eggs. 4 blue robin eggs. Isn't that so cool? Wow. Now I leave. I'll give you updates. They should hatch. Those are, wow, pretty. But to put it there on top of the power meter, how strange. All right, I'm done. There's our elusive robin. She built, there she goes. There she goes. There they are. They're hatched. Look at that. Oh, amazing. I think all 4 of them. There they are, look. They're up and active, and I don't want to get too close. Peeking their little heads out. Isn't that cool? Boy, yeah, they're getting bigger and they're protective now. They're upset. Oof, I'm gonna leave them be. Just a quick little video. Yeah, they're wide. It's not gonna be long. They're gonna be jumping out. Look at those eyeballs. Ooh. Oh boy, and there's a cat. That thing better get the hell out of here. Oh, they're mad at that. Wow. There's all kinds of robins. Psst. Psst. Getting that cat out of here. Those babies, they're not that high up. So, hey, get out of here. Get. Psst. Psst. That's the big one in the front. He must have been the one first born. Look at that belly, all speckled. I'm probably a foot away. I'm getting ready to come out of there. Okay, now I'm gonna leave. Oh boy. There's the biggest one. He's ready to hop out of there. Look at him. Oh, he's ready to jump. Better be careful. He's ready to hop out of that nest. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, there he is. He's standing up. Oh, it don't get no better than this. He's gonna jump down, I think. Oh shit. Here we are. Saturday. Oh, he jumped. Is he okay? Mama's down there with him and Daddy. There they are. There's robins everywhere. And they're all gone. All 4 of them.